All right, so for any 30, 60, 90 triangle, hopefully the pattern that you're starting to see is that there is a ratio between the sides. So whatever this shorter side is that is opposite the 30-degree angle, it can kind of act as your unit. And then to get the hypotenuse, you simply need to multiply that by 2. To get the shorter side, or the medium side, I guess, which is opposite the 60, you would need to multiply that by the square root of 3. So, for example, if we had this 30, 60, 90 triangle, and this, which is my shortest side, is 3 units, I would take that and I would multiply it by 2 to get my longest side, so this would become 6 units. And then I would take that 3 and multiply it by the square root of 3. So over here we're going to get 3 square root of 3 units for that side. In this triangle, we're going to have, here's my 30, here's my 60. If my hypotenuse here is 10 units, then, so this is not time I'm looking at this side. In order to find the short side, I'm just going to divide by 2, because this is 2x, this is just x. So this would become 5 units here. And then in order to get my medium side, which is opposite the 60-degree angle, I would simply take that 5 and multiply it by the square root of 2. So I would have square root of 3. 5 is square root of 3 units right there. Then possibly the stranger version is if you are given the side that has the ratio of the square root of 3, where it's opposite the 60-degree angle, opposite the 60-degree angle. If you're going to find out this one, then really what you're going to have to do is divide by the square root of 3, and in this case, I would simply describe that as 4 divided by the square root of 3 units. And then just like you did before, now we have this side, that's my opposite the 30, so it's my smallest side. We're going to take this and multiply it by 2, and so if you take 4 divided by the square root of 3 and you multiply it by 2, you'll end up getting 8 over the square root of 3. So this one would be 8 divided by the square root of 3 units here. Hopefully that helps. Go back to the Desmos and see if you guys can practice.